Alright guys, so I got this side fixed. This side's good. Over here, I noticed this side I checked this side in case. So I kinda put my finger through here from the inside, pushed it out. This was popping for right here. So I kinda opened it and this side broke, or it was already broken. And yeah, so I was like, screw it. It's barely holding on, so I just popped it off. Look, this side's already broken. Well, this side's already broken. This side was the one that was still hanging. So I was like, screw it. It gives me an excuse to buy another one. So I gotta take those screws off. Yep.